Hello everyone! This is Cheryl once again from Saladmaster here in Perth. And today, I want to show you how to make easy paella or paella or paella in the Philippines. First thing that we need to do is to heat up our chicken stock, 3 cups. Using any of your cookware, 3/4 roaster, 9-inch skillet. I am using my 3/4 roaster. 1 heaped teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika, and 2 pinches of saffron, the most expensive herb in the world. And then, heat it up for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's do the cooking. We are using our 11-inch skillet, and of course, if you are making a big one, big batch, you can use our bigger cookware. First thing you need to do is to heat up the cookware, so I'll put it on medium heat. And if you do the water test, water should be dancing like pearl. When it's ready, I'll be putting my chicken. Now, once the cookware is ready, let's put 2 chicken breasts thinly sliced. I did not put any oil. Oil is optional. It's totally up to you. But I prefer not putting any oil for my paella. Cover it. It's currently on medium heat and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. For the meantime, our chicken stock, saffron, and paprika is now ready. I'll turn it off. And keep it aside for use later. Once you hear the clicking, I'll turn it down to low. While waiting for the chicken, let me cut my capsicum using cone number 4. Two cloves of garlic using cone number 4. Now, I'll put it back again at medium heat. And this is how the chicken look like. Look, I did not put any water in here. But look how watery it is now. It's all came from the chicken. Now, it's time for me to put my capsicum, chorizo, and the garlic. Give it a mix. Leave it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, time to put our rice, which I already washed and drained. Medium grain rice. And then, I'm going to add the chicken stock with paprika and saffron that we set aside a while ago. Cover and cook it on medium heat for about 20 minutes. Once you hear the clicking, just turn it down to low. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. Very colorful. Now it's time to add our peas and the seafood marinara. And cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, this is our paella. How green the vegetables are. And now, time to garnish it with lemon wedges, and some chopped parsley. This is our easy paella. Paella or paella. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!